This is one of the best suppliers conference we had during the course of all the suppliers conferences we had with construction chemical manufacturers, etc. I am very much satisfied with the attendance as well as the quality of the paper submitted, and it is a fantastic thing for the new entrants to take advantage of these new technologies to bring in standardization and quality in the products. Thank you.
Nice event. After a long time we have attended this educational event where we have a very good opportunity to learn on the subject and also to make the bonding with our other colleagues and industrial colleagues. So I 100% feel that it's a very good event and we have enjoyed also and we have learned also and we have done the very good networking.
Thank you, sir. Let me thank you to all the CCMA organizing committee for organizing such a beautiful event. The organization was really good. All the presentations were really good and really to the topic. So once again, let me thank you to the whole organizing committee of the CCMA for organizing.
Thank you, CCMA, for the event. The event was very well organized and we are happy with whatever arrangements CCMA has made. We have taken great pains for arranging this conference and we are very satisfied with whatever arrangements the CCMA has made. We got a great response from this event and we are looking forward to many more such events from CCMA.
Any suggestions to improve this?
No, I think it is a very well arranged conference. Right now I don't have any suggestions. I think it was very well organized and I don't have any comments.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I'm very glad to be here with CCMA Supplier Conference, and this is happening after almost 4 years, and very good response here. I think it was a good interaction between the suppliers and the raw material supplier and the manufacturers. I think it's very successful event. It was sold out before even we have it. No words, please, on the suggestions for improvement, but I think it was a great event, I think, and I'm very glad to meet industry people, even after COVID, after 4 years this is happening, and very interactive, new faces in the place, new suppliers, new manufacturers, very great meeting here. Thank you.
Really, we are very satisfied for attending this event. Actually, it was all waited for almost 4-5 years.
You are a sponsor also.
And
what is your feeling being a sponsor like a huge event?
we are really, because we met almost all the producer here. We attended, we met many people, almost all the big companies, and we interact for our product also, and we come to know exactly what they want actually. So based on that requirement, we can also try to exchange all the requirement to our R&D to facilitate them or to design a product according to their requirement actually. And we are also working towards the sustainability actually. So we are working for some of the products which can help to boost the sustainable environment.
So what is your, what do you feel when again CCMA doing some events? So
yeah, definitely we are always a part of, and let's hope such kind of event being organized in the future. We'll be always there with CCMA.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I feel that it's a very good meeting point for all the suppliers and to connect with and build a network with other suppliers and other customers as well. So this is also my first time in India, so I'm very excited, and yeah, it has been a great experience for me. Thank you.
Thank you.
So it was a real opportunity as a raw material supplier and as a delegate to see how India is active in the construction market. I've heard very interesting lectures today showing that latest technology are today used in construction chemical in India. The whole organization was amazing. CCMA have been doing a great job. Thank you very much to the organization committee. That's it. Thank you for this great event.
Been
time, I'm seeing a mega response to this conference being organized by CCMA in a very wonderful way. And today's papers, whatever we have seen, they were of, I would say, very high quality, very informative to all the participants. And I'm sure the ones which we will have tomorrow also will be in the same scale. I think it's a fantastic arrangement, and especially since the Indian economy is growing exponentially, I think all the dry mix motor producers, construction chemical manufacturers and suppliers see a big opportunity to encash this big growth in the country, and this could be one key reason why we had a very big response to this event.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Parekh from Albright Packaging Private Limited. We've been here as a launch sponsor and the event was very insightful. It's a new segment for us, and we have been in this segment since a long time, but the insights and the knowledge that we've been sharing and the network that we've been growing, it's quite something, and we look forward to the next event.
Event is very useful. A lot of information is sharing, especially for flow coating. I think the conductive part is very attractive one. For our company's perspective, we are looking for anti-static and conductive flooring. So that information is very useful for us. Besides that, there are a lot of other companies which are already a vendor of extremely limited, especially of ours, like BSF, like Dow, and everybody. The BSF information is very useful also, because gap pricing is, the very common trade right now in India, and that information we are gathering. And being a waterproofing company, as 88 years of background, this sort of information is required, and we are gathering more and more new modification of product, so that we can get better product to the customer, and we can give you better service to the nation. Thank you very much.
I am Renal Sinha from Strongard Paints Private Limited. We manufacture epoxy and polyurethane flooring products. I just attended CCMA Suppliers Meet 2023. It was a nice opportunity hearing all the technical discussions, and in future I will be attending all of the conferences where we like to have more idea about new products and new technologies. Thank you.
As far as one is here, the technical person are available in this CCMA conference. So I am from the marketing side. It is a great opportunity to me to get meet to all the technical person, and as well the seminars is a highly technical. So it is good for me to learning the most of the concept in the market. It is good for as a marketing side. Also as well as the promotion in the product in the new product, just like I am promoting the new product in this platform. So it is good for us to know the market.
You are from which country?
I am from the IMCD.
It's a supplier.
It's a supplier. I'm from the supplier. That's why I learned a lot of things from the manufacturers who are presenting the presentation.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic event. I mean, it's been organized so beautifully. I think it's one of the best events CCMA is organizing from the suppliers' point of view, where a lot of suppliers, a lot of stakeholders who supply raw materials to the industry have come here and they've expressed, they've used this as a platform to kind of portray their products and their ability. And I think all in all, it was a fantastic event. I'm sure tomorrow is going to be a lot more, because a lot of interesting topics coming up tomorrow. And I think we're all looking forward to tomorrow also. Great event. Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
So, hi, myself Dr. Parag. I'm from HG Chemicals. So this is the first event for me, CCMA event, and it is well organized. The theme was very good, which is aligned with all subjects. The speakers are from across the boundaries. So technically, for technical people like me, it's a lot of takeaways on new technologies. Apart apart from this, this event is for business. So if you think of the commercial angles, a lot of the animation producers are there. So it's a good opportunity for me in person to get connected with the top guys over here, and which will be helpful in for my business. So really appreciate the effort from the organizing committee and the CCM. Thank you.
Yes, we are satisfied 100%, and it is good for our future. Yes, particularly raw material suppliers, presentation is, I think, from more than 70-80% from India and abroad.
So, business purpose.
Yes, definitely.
We are extremely satisfied and very, very encouraged with the level of participation we have had today. We wanted to ensure that our sponsors get full value for the money they have spent by presenting to maximum number of customers. And this is what we have achieved. The presentations have been of very high quality. The organization has been superb. So this is win-win for all.
So, how do you think our next edition to the next level?
Our next edition will be bigger and even better.
See, as an organizing committee, we are extremely happy with the way the delegates have welcomed our event. And in fact, they have taken their time to come from all parts of the country, in spite of weather conditions, in spite of a lot of other constraints as well, which they were going through. We are in fact totally booked, and we overshot our limit by around 20 to 30%. So we are extremely happy to have hosted this event and had all our delegates be part of it.
How do you think that to improve further a next level to CCMA 5th edition, SCC 5th edition?
See, our objective is one thing. The latest of technology should reach all kinds of manufacturers. The main objective of CCMA is to even take that to micro enterprises of construction chemicals. Be able to get benefit out of latest technology in the market and also the standards which they may not be aware themselves. So the CCMA would want to have an event where we are able to bring in a larger audience of CC manufacturing companies. Probably the next event should have around 400 plus participants, companies from across the country who will be able to get benefit of the technology and knowledge transfer that CCMA is going to bring.
Thank you so much.
In fact, I was associated with CCMA before its formation from 2002, and almost in the last 20 years I have seen this organization to form in 2009, and the way it has grown. And I have attended a lot of seminars and conferences of CCMA in the past. And according to me, this is one of the best. The way very professionally managed, and the organizing committee has done a wonderful job. Excellent delegations, and a lot of professionalism I could see in this particular conference. And everybody was doing their job, and they were doing what is to be done, what not to be done. And in fact, I'm thankful to the people who was organizing this show from Sababiri, Usha, and all of the people, and the entire management committee. And especially I would like to thank all the companies and sponsors the way they supported us. Initially we were a little bit worried, but then they realized the importance. And what I've seen the first day was really good. The kind of presentations they were there, very interesting. But I also like a few of the presentations. They're very, very meaningful and very, very useful for the entire fraternity construction. Thank you so much.
हर बात लेना है चलो ठीक
Initially we expected crowd 100, then we converted to the increased number of members, delegates, 140, 160, 180, instead of 9 decided to have 200 numbers. Today we are having 225. The first time in the history of CCMA, there is many seminars that we close it window to get more registration for these delegates. Such a good volume support from all members, non-members, everybody is so happy. Especially personally, I am so happy because we had successful seminars and all the participants are enjoying it.
And such a beautiful...
Thanks to Mr. Pravir also, he was not a fan by him.
And such a beautiful presentations too. topics and other things. Such a beautiful.
My son is budgeting.
This is the first time in CCMA history a suppliers conference has met with such tremendous success, and with this success I hope more and more events which will come in the future will also meet with the same success rate, as the interest has been created amongst the delegates.
Or presentation part of it.
The presentation was very good. In fact, there were a lot of things which one could learn from the presentation, and especially for the smaller manufacturers, this is something which is very beneficial, and it helps people to grow bigger and bigger.
Such a large number of...
And one more advantage for all the small-time manufacturers is they get to know the suppliers in one event. Otherwise, it's very difficult to identify the suppliers on their own.
And this event also a big opportunity for connect the...
See, networking is a different aspect. It always helps people. So networking is more between the suppliers and the manufacturers, and also within the suppliers also, because there are so many synergies which keep on happening in this market. So that sort of advantages will always happen.
Thank you so much.
Yes, it was wonderful for CCMA supplier conference. As first of all, we did it almost after 4 years. So yes, it was nicely organized and the full house. And it was good presentations from various manufacturers for new technology and new products. So I'm sure such kind of a conference will definitely increases the value in construction chemical business. Thank you.
It's a great pleasure to be part of the organizing committee and be a part of the CCMA SCC conference, which is our suppliers chain conference. This was a conference which gave a great opportunity for the construction chemical manufacturers such as ourselves to meet up and discuss modern technology and a way to make materials more sustainable in construction chemicals. It was a fantastic event with I think close to 200 plus 225 plus people attending, and it was a great event where a lot of knowledge was shared, a lot of new ideas presented, and of course everyone went back with a very positive feeling. So here's to CCMA organizing more such events in the future and to making construction better all the time. Thank you very much.
It was an excellent experience. It is the one stop where we could meet everybody. It has happened after a very long time. It was awaited for last 4-5 years, which could not happen because of COVID. So it was really an excellent experience. Thank you.
To start with your...
very successful, and it was very informative. People here are very cooperative, and apart from living same business में है, लेकिन फिर भी then they share with each other, बहुत अच्छे से share करते हैं और एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो कर रहे हैं very nice event.
How informative this event for you? It's like a presentations, the standard of presentations, the various topics which we discuss whole day.
Actually, this seminar and everything is very mild है, deep में इतना नहीं है, लेकिन क्या है कि actually लोगों से जो मिलना है या लोगों से जो interact करना है, यहाँ के पूरी इंडस्ट्री के लोग आते हैं, that is very important. And one-to-one जो correspondence हो रहा है वो बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है.
Business perspectives also to meet your fellow.
Perspective हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा है. And it is going to grow. Definitely growing.
Do you recommend this CCMA suppliers meet to your friends and other suppliers and industry people?
Like the platform, the platform we created, like we are getting at a single point. India is the fastest growing. The growth rate we have to meet with the very innovative, things. And like the point we discussed, the carbon. This is the
सेक्टर है, अनऑर्गेनाइज पीपल है, वो ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे करना है हमको,